IBPS PO is on 12th. Absolutely. So here for reasoning, which will be your first section, I have two approaches. The first approach which we are going to have is called as a scanner method. What do you mean by scanner method? First, scan each and every bit. 1 mark, 2 marks question. With that, make sure you spend 2 to 3 minutes to identify the topics which are comfortable. For example, data sufficiency, coded direction sense, coded blood relation, any miscellaneous question, reverse syllogism for which you have practiced. Next, some questions will be of high priority, for example, critical reasoning. Last year, when I gave the paper, slot 1 of MBA CET 2024, you have the video as well if you want to see. In that, I have made sure that what were the topics of critical reasoning, environment, women empowerment, AI, these will be the common topics which will be asking by the IBPS. So make sure that whenever you read the question, understand what is given. If you see that it is in your periphery, always make sure you can attempt such questions for critical reasoning which are of very high priority. Last and foremost strategy for the first approach will be, make sure you invest 2 to 3 minutes for input output or maximum 5 minutes. जर सगळे लॉजिक लागत आहे तुमच्याकडनं तर तो क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करा, नाही तर बिंदा स्किप करा, इगो बिलकुल ठेवू नका. That will be the first strategy, that is called a scanner method. Check each and every bit. Invest 5 to 10 minutes just in case you see where your paper is going. Difficult, moderate or easy. The second method will be a dual section master. आता हा जो पॉइंट आहे हे आहे की पहिले 1 मार्क वाले जे पण क्वेश्चंस आहेत उसको टारगेट करो जितने जल्दी हो सके, and then go with the 2 marks. What happens with IBPS PO is they have 2 sections, section A and section B, but sometimes what they do is they shuffle. So 2 marks वाले क्वेश्चन भी कभी कभी easy आ सकते. So what you can do over here is you can see that what should be your perfect approach. So I recommend each and every one of you to try at least one of these approaches, for which for IBPS PO means it will be very beneficial for you. Because अगर पहला सेक्शन अच्छे से गया, if your reasoning is good, अगर वो पहला सेक्शन अच्छे से गया, it will have a very huge impact on the upcoming section. तो बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल से अभिषेक शर्मा, तो वो स्टार्ट अगर मिल गया पहले 5 ओवर वाला, तो फिर you can always go with the bigger total or you can chase anything. So the students who are going for the exam, remember 2 things. 1, this exam doesn't test your memory. It doesn't. It checks your patience. Make sure if you see one of the questions in which you can try, so patience level rakho. Second, even if it has the first section, that is your reasoning, but don't be in a hurry. And foremost, the most important point for reasoning, what I have learned is, each and every question, either about critical, data sufficiency, input output, puzzles, at least एक नजर मार लो. कभी कभी ना 2 मार्क्स के सेक्शन में भी एक इजी क्वेश्चन मिल जाएगा, और वो एक क्वेश्चन के वजह से आपकी एग्जाम निकलने के चांसेस और बढ़ जाएंगे. रिस्क कैलकुलेटेड लो and make sure you come with the flying colors. Okay, so from team SSA reasoning department, all the very best to each and every one of you. See you at the papers.